The Local AI Translator runs on the Ollama platform, so we first have to download and install Ollama. Make sure you download the Windows version as the Local AI Translator currently only runs on Windows. Check the Ollama installation by going to the command line and typing Ollama. You should see the text displayed here. The first time you use the software, type Ollama serve. Unzip the setup file and then click local_setup.exe. This starts the installation process. When requested, check the box to make a desktop shortcut. This will make it easier to run the Local AI Translator. The first time you run the Local AI Translator, you will be asked to enter your license key, which is contained in your confirmation email. You only have to do this once. Thank you for watching.